Come test drive the 2023 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.